How to fix the emails have stopped working on your iPhone. So if you're not receiving emails or you're unable to send an email, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to solve the issue. So the first step is you need to load up the settings on your phone and then scroll down and click on General. Now scroll down to VPN and Device Management and click on this and make sure you're not currently connected to any VPNs. As you can see for me, it says not connected. And then you can head back over to the main settings page. You'll then need to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Apps. Scroll down again until you see Mail from the list and click on this. And then select Mail Accounts. Now click on Fetch New Data and make sure Push is turned on and enabled. You also need to make sure Fetch is set to automatically. Now if it's still not working, come back over to Mail Accounts and then just click on the account that you're having issues with. Now if you've recently changed your email password, it may not have updated on your iPhone. So what you'll need to do is press the Delete Account button and then just press Delete from my iPhone. Once your account has been deleted, you can press Add Account, click on Choose from a list, and then select your email provider. You can then just go through the steps to sign in to your email account. Now once your account has been added, make sure Mail is turned on like this, and then you can go and open up the Mail app on your phone. Click on the arrow in the top left hand side. You'll see all of your different email accounts. You can then click on All Inboxes, and you should now be able to receive and also send emails.